Hi everyone, you're right, this is CoinsKid. Just welcome to the channel. If you're not a member of the Telegram group already, please do come and subscribe to the Telegram group. There's lots of great information in there. So yeah, definitely get yourself involved in there, okay? So looking at this chart, this is Binance coin. This is BNB USDT, guys. And you know I've covered this a few times on the channel. And I've made a long-term price prediction for this bull run up there at $2,017 roughly. I do believe that we will get there, okay? We are at the moment, you think about the time scale in this. You know, a lot of people, the previous cycle of the previous bull run does look to be ending towards September, October time of this year, okay? So we are well on track for that, but you're not going to see this immediately, okay? We're going to see these levels of legs up and consolidation along the way for Binance coin, but I do believe that we could potentially get there, which is literally another 10x from this point. I do think towards the end of the market we will just see crypto explode, okay? So we are looking at already, if you look at this, we are looking at the parabolic curve, okay? So something like this. So if we're going to end in October of this year, roughly October, yep, towards the end of October, you know, and we keep creeping. Look, you can see this parabolic curve is already beginning, okay? So we are literally on track. But what you might see is the price action come back to the curve now, to this support line of the curve. So what you may see, guys, is this level of consolidation. These EMAs creep up, of course, obviously, and creep up like this. And then the price action just come back, bounce off it and move up again, and then eventually get into this price target there, okay? So that is what we've got on the cards for Binance coin, BNB, is this target up here. So what can we expect in a short time? Well, at the moment you can see that Binance coin has gone through this level of consolidation here. Since going up, it's been consolidating for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. But you can see since it corrected, it's week on week been increasing, okay? So it's forming higher lows on a weekly level. So the trend is still your friend. The trend is still intact, and we are looking an upwards momentum for Binance coin. What we could do here is consolidate a little bit more like this, tailing off this consolidation while we allow these EMAs to catch up to us. We could potentially look at an EMA retest before we do make that next leg up. But that's not a positive, you know, that's not a definite. We may just take the leg up anyway without the EMA retest. It's always nice to see an EMA retest, but you can see from this moment here, we have started this parabolic move, this parabolic curve up, okay? And you can see now it's tailing off, tailing slightly more towards the curve itself like this. And you'll probably see something like this as the EMAs curl back round and creep up before we get that massive surge towards the end of the bull run, which you will see, guys. You will see that massive run up in everything. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin, Link, everything will just explode, okay, before it has a blow off top. That's the way these cycles work. They've worked in every single bull cycle so far, and this one would be no different. We are expecting that the end of the bull market to be around about the September, October time, given the past 3 bull markets that we've seen crypto in, and that sort of time scale. Everything is working to a T at the moment. Okay, so what we're hitting here is level of consolidation. So what I'm going to do is just jump in on the 4-hourly time frame and hopefully plot some short-term price predictions going forward, guys. Okay, so potentially that's our target up there. You'll see us move up, keeping along with this curve here, and then you'll see that massive surge to the upside as we get towards the end of the bull market there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is jump into the 4-hourly time frame here. So you can see I can see anyway, I can see that we're getting caught in another symmetrical triangle here. Okay, so we are looking at a breakout, okay, because what we've got here, we've got this symmetrical triangle that formed here after the initial pop. So we went up, come down, consolidated, and then we formed a symmetrical triangle, okay, on the 4-hourly time frame. And you could see just in here, we was getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter like that before we broke out. And when we broke out, we should be the length. I've not measured it yet, but you can see the breakout was to that level. Do you see that, guys? Because it's where you hit the bottom of the triangle and you form the top of the triangle is the length from which you break out. So again, you can see that level there, that length, and then we broke out. When we did broke out, we broke out up to the upside there. Okay, so that's that symmetrical triangle confirmed. Okay, that's that symmetrical triangle confirmed. So then what we did, we pushed up onto that level, and now we've consolidated, and if you can see, we are forming another symmetrical triangle, and obviously coming from the upside, you know, it's a continuation trend, because this is formed from the upside, continuation trend pumped up, from the upside, continuation trend pumped up. They're basically elongated ball pennants, guys. So what we're looking at now is a potential another symmetrical triangle. So we have this base here, and as you can see, we're getting tighter and tighter in there, and then we have this base here where we've come up into the triangle and we're coming down, and we are getting tighter and tighter in here. Okay, you can see that we're getting really tight in here. So you could say potentially we are on the cusp of another breakout for Binance Coin as we get tight in this triangle here. So you could say that we had our first touch, we formed a symmetrical triangle just there, and there was our base, okay, of the symmetrical triangle. So we could say that potentially we're looking at something like this, okay guys, a breakout from this point here, from this triangle. You could say that we're looking to break out at any point along this line here. Say we was to break out just there quite soon, then you will be looking at a push up for Binance Coin, okay, up to that level of $312, and that looks to be imminent. You can see that what we're doing, once we've gone up, we've come down, we've consolidated, okay, and we're making these high lows, and then we're having another leg up, making high lows. So we're having a staggered progression to get up there in this bull market, which is really, really healthy, guys. Okay, really healthy. This is on the 4-hourly time frame. So at the moment, I am looking for a push up to that $3.12 for Binance Coin. I do believe that a breakout is imminent. We are in a continuation trend, as you can see. So I would be targeting a $3.12 Binance token, guys. And from this moment right now, if we was to get up to that level, so from this moment right now, if we was to get up to that level, you are looking at a trade of 17% to that level. Okay, so once we get up there, we will look to consolidate again, and we may start to form another symmetrical triangle in the short time frame. Okay, just levels of consolidation and legs up in this entire bull market. So then what we'll do, we'll be targeting a leg up from that point to take out this previous high. Okay, so as you can see, we've gone up, formed a symmetrical triangle, gone up, formed a symmetrical triangle, going to go up, form another symmetrical triangle before we take out this high up here. So it looks really strong for Binance Coin for progression, guys. You know, I see a lot of people are getting really sort of frustrated with it, and they want it to go to the moon immediately. But we are pushing back up. We are creeping back up to that previous high of $3.48 there, $348. Now I do believe we will get there, but it's just going to take time. Okay, everything takes time. Have patience, and the best good things come to those who wait. You can see on the MACD here as well, on the 4-hourly time frame. If we take a look at the MACD, we formed a bullish cross there, and we're just turning bullish on the histogram, so that's good. We're sitting mid-level on the RSI as well, so that looks like it's set to continue this pump here. So it's all good. It's all good, guys. All good. There's no hidden divergences. Everything points to more upside. So yeah, a breakout is pretty much imminent, guys. Keep an eye on that target. So at the moment, we are targeting a $3.12 breakout on Binance Coin. Failing that, if we was to break down from this symmetrical triangle, then I would be targeting this level down here as an absolute low for Binance Coin, guys. This, you could be a great buy area at $195 for Binance Coin. So this is just a quick update, really, a quick update, a video for you guys that are getting quite frustrated by Binance Coin, that it's not performing, it's not doing anything. But when you look at this, you can see it's slowly staggering back up to that previous high, where it will test it again. And then when it does test it, it'll hopefully fly, guys. Okay, because you do look at this move here. This is such a parabolic move. Okay, this in itself is just an insane move. I think we appreciated from this EMA retest there. Yeah, it went up 166%. So, you know, for Binance Coin, such a large market cap that it's got, that's quite a large appreciation. So we was going to expect a level of consolidation, and we are getting that. You know, this is a reaccumulation zone before the next leg up. So that's Binance Coin. Just be patient with it, guys. That's all I can say. Okay, we are pushing on, we are creeping up, we're making these we're making these high lows. Okay, so it's all good. It's all good. If we was to break down, then obviously target this level here as a buyback zone, guys. Okay, All right, please do like, subscribe and share the channel where you can. Hop into our Telegram group and get involved in the community, guys. Take care. Bye bye.